N.R.T. here, guys. Working on balls. Hands are filthy. We're going to use some Scrubby Nut Abrasives heavy duty hand wipes from our friends over at Benchmark Abrasives. I'm rocking the Benchmark Abrasives t-shirt with the Benchmark Abrasives hat, and we got the Benchmark Abrasives band here. Benchmark Abrasives is a big sponsor of the N.R.T. Off-Road Performance YouTube channel, so huge shout out to them. And we're gonna get these clean, cause I'm going on lunch break. I got the battery mounted up on the tractor. Had to move the tray over some, because we have an 18 horse on there now instead of a 10. So pretty big motor for a tractor. Weighs it down pretty dang good. Probably gonna get some mud tires for it, because right now it just has some lawn tires on in it. Sometimes you have to use a couple wipes, and sometimes like I forget to close that, and the top one will dry out some. So now what I like about these is you don't have to. I mean, you can clean your hands with them by yourself. You don't have to get water. You don't have to rinse your hands off. They have an orange scent to them, so your hands will smell like oranges. And I do have gloves, but the thing with gloves is I just don't like to feel gloves. And I mean, I'm trying to wear some gloves because it's like I wash my hands almost 19 times a day. But yeah. But as a full-time mechanic, I would highly recommend these wipes. There'll be a link in the description or comments to these wipes. Go check them out. They also have hand soap, or it's hand cleaner, not hand soap. And I use that too, but that you have to use with water. Just clean, 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 clean. Clean, 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 clean. Yeah, I got these hand wipes everywhere. Got them in the ATV shop, the tractor shop. But look at that. Basically clean. I mean, I could do better, but that's good enough, because you're just going to get dirty again. So, huge shout out to Benchmark Abrasives. They've been a great company to work with, and I'm very proud to be working with them. And, yeah, so. N.R.T. tested the cleaning wipes. I'd highly recommend them. And, as someone in the mechanic trade, I can tell you right now, if you're a mechanic, you'll want these. Now there's other brands and stuff, but these are way to go. Pick some up when you get some bursts. Pick some up when you get some flap disc. So, yeah. Benchmark Abrasives basically has all types of stuff. They have flap disc, grinding wheels, cutting wheels, diamond wheels, sandpaper, sand disc for like DAs, and then they just have regular old sandpaper. And then they got burrs for aluminum and steel, and they got drill bits and drill extenders and grinding hoods and welding hoods, and they got apparel. So they got all types of stuff. I kind of got to control myself every time I go on their website because it's kind of like a candy store to me. So, if you're a mechanic, you know what I mean. It's like going into a tool store. It's like, whoa. So, but, yeah. So, please subscribe, like, comment, share this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.